Hey, if you want to install two SIM cards in your Realme 14 Pro, let me quickly show you step by step how to do this. So first of all, this SIM slot is located on the bottom of your phone, on the right side, and you have to use this SIM tool to open it. If you don't have the SIM tool, you can also use paper clip, like this. So now insert this one, and now press. Then you can just take it off, and right here you will have to input your SIM cards. So with this cutout at the top like that, and then just press, and now rotate and do the same for the second one, and also press from the two sides. Now when it is inside the slot, as you can see, it's not gonna fall out of that slot, so you don't have to mind about this one. Now just apply this inside, and you will have to, I'm gonna catch focus on it, there we go. You will have to align those two dots, and then just push with your finger and it will be inside, just like this.